Alright, here we go. Little garden tour. Beautiful sunny day. Alright. Our first little bed here. I think we've got spinach in the back. And got some carrots and some radishes in the middle. And some lettuce right there. This bed here's, what do I got? Swiss chard in the back. The beets are coming up in the middle. A few dills there. And some lettuce coming up there. A little nasturtium. I got squash of some kind. A couple of little cantaloupes in the old pumpkin pergola. Some of the mini tomatoes, more beets, lettuce, a cilantro that came back from last year. Got some peas along the back because the neighbor's kids like eating them through the fence. Some more beets, another zucchini, lettuce that's not quite up yet. Oh, the garlic bed. Dun dun dun. 103 garlic in there. Crazy. Let's see. Oh yeah, this tiny pathetic little cucumber plant. Doo -doo -doo. Too funny. Another squash. Another squash. Another squash. Some sunflowers. These are all red onions in here. A couple of mini pepper plants. See how they do. A squash and a sunflower mixed a bunch of white onions and a bunch of yellow onions in there. Dun dun dun. Here's the insulated beds. We're gonna put some poly over top of there so the season started a little earlier and keep her going a little later. Like a tomatillo. Got some crazy cool yellow flowers underneath there. See any of them? And 4 more peppers. And then there's the big tomato bed. Went a little overboard like I was, like I've said many times before. I think I've got 19 tomato plants for some silly reason. The herb garden. Got some pepper plants in there. 3 different kinds of thyme, some parsley, rosemary, sage, tarragon, summer savory, dill, and then a small child might be being murdered across the way. Oh no, not being murdered, but other kids are being rude apparently. So, got all my shallots. Another couple of different squashes. Another couple. Oh man. Some more radishes and carrots. Beans popping up everywhere. Some cucumbers. More radishes. Dill all in between there. Carrots under there. My cucumbers really didn't come up. I think 2 of them came up. That's pathetic. 2 out of 12. My peas are rocking and roll. And then each one of these has got whatever, 3, 4 potatoes in it. Potato boxes. So I think I got 13 of them. So there should be plenty of spuds this year. And then little walk up front. Not a huge bed, but doing well nonetheless. Got some sunflowers that are, this guy here, he's like just starting to get his big flower on. And then again, 4 different types of squash. Got a few basils and some thyme. All the hanging nasturtiums. And I had some extra potatoes, so try them out in some of those. There you go. quick little garden tour.